Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm starting a new video series for a coding project I have. I finally got an app released on the Android Play Store and I need to make some updates because I released the app before I should have. I just wanted to get that part done and I can go back and make changes later. They have a good update system. So this is going to be a series of videos of me making updates to an Android app. This first video is going to be, I need to get the code up in GitHub. I didn't even do that before I released this app, just because I was in such a hurry. If my computer crashes or if the hard drive crashes, then all the code's gone. So I don't even think I have Git installed. Maybe I do. No, I don't. Okay. I guess I could do this. Okay, so I just downloaded the newest version of Git for my operating system. Yeah, I don't think my screen was sharing right, but I still haven't working on installing this. I guess I'll have it check for updates. So I have Atom installed. But I think I kind of like okay, it says it's recommended to switch to something, so I guess I'll tell it to switch to Atom. And why can't I click next? It's opening a web page. I'm gonna see if yeah, it just took me to the Atom website. I'm gonna just do this for speed. Like, get this side. Yeah, I don't care. Hang on. Because I think I also have Notepad++ installed. Oh, okay, so it's gonna let me. I don't know if I want to do that, but we'll see what happens. Okay, that looks good. I'm mostly just guessing. I don't know what any of that means. I think that's important. Whatever. Dude, I don't remember this having so many questions. Yeah, default. Git pull is a specific command. I don't want to mess with stuff. If I look something up online and I mess with it, then I won't know what it means. Choose a credential app. Which credential helper? I don't know what that even means. I don't care. Okay, that's fine. No. Okay, finally. I didn't think that was gonna be so difficult. Okay, so my theory is once I install Git and then I install install GitHub. Alright, hang on. Yes, I use Bing. Just to make it a little easier. Okay, I'm just gonna install GitHub now. It says GitHub desktop is being installed. It'll launch once it's done. It hasn't asked me any questions, and it doesn't have the taskbar for me to move it to the other monitor. Oh, okay, I can see kind of a progress bar. It's about halfway. Not quite halfway. Okay, yeah, it's opening a browser window. Okay, yeah, uh, well, okay. This is used to identify the commits you create. Oh, well. Huh. I didn't know that they give you a special email address. I was just, okay. Let's get started. Add a repository to, alright, I might not be able to do it this way because I don't know if that's the right. Okay, I have to close this and oh dude, that's okay. I think Firefox is my default browser, so something had opened in Firefox, and so I was struggling because I didn't realize that. So hang on. There's two things I need to do. First, I need to you have to link Git to your account. Now I assume that's what, because it has my repositories from the website, it put my email address. So I assume that part is all done. And now all I need to do is get what's from my laptop onto their server. So two projects. Okay, I am doing this twice. One is for the Android app. One is actually for a different project, but at least it'll give me a bit more practice. So to do that, I need to create a new repository. Okay, what is this name? I'm so confused. Storage generator. This is their example name is all lowercase with a hyphen. So I'm gonna do that. Description is optional, so I don't care. It's public. I usually add a readme and I get ignored just in case I want them later. And create. Okay. Now, is this copy? Ah, okay. So what I need to do now, I wonder if this'll work. I need this repository on my laptop, on my hard drive. So I am cloning the repository to my hard drive, which, I mean, it'll be quick. There's hardly anything in there. Alright, show and explore, because now I need to copy the files from my other project to here. Okay, and I'm not find the file over. Okay, so I found the file. Now, number 3 is the one I'm editing. The one without a number is the main one, but I think this is actually where I left off. So, okay, I'm gonna use, well, yeah, because if you're gonna use Git with IntelliJ, you can actually do it from IntelliJ or Android Studio, whatever. I just don't know what I'm doing, so these are completely different. Okay, I'm gonna trust GitHub more than IntelliJ then. I'm not at all doing this the right way. So I was gonna say this is probably not a video to learn from, and now I'm saying that is definitely true. because I'm copying the project. So not only am I starting with 2 versions of a project, I'm now making a 3rd version. But at least it'll be on Git, so if something happens, not completely have to start from scratch. Okay. So all the files are now monitored by GitHub in this folder. Okay, just pretty sure I'm not doing that the way I would normally do it, but I don't feel like researching a whole bunch of stuff right now to figure all this out. Okay, now if I look back at my GitHub account, nope, commit, push. So there's no local changes, so do I need to oh. Oh, okay, there they are. Okay, so that part's done. Okay, doing this a second time because I now have another project that I want to put up here. New repo. I think, okay, good. Definitely a readme. I'm not putting a git ignore because this is more complicated. Okay, now I need to find that one. And then this is my folder. Copy paste. Okay. So I got those in the GitHub folder, or in the whatever. GitHub knows about those. Is it the summary that I've always used and I've never used the description? Okay, yeah, there are things that I wonder if I should really be putting up here, but I can just do what I can do now, and if I need to change something later, I should be able to. Description. I don't care. Commit. And push. They have made this even easier than it was, and it was a lot easier than using the command line, at least for me. And I'm not even hardly doing anything. Okay. Refresh. Perfect. A half hour, but it was still quicker than I expected.